Hello, y'all. The vocal doctor here. I'm just here to let you know I'm going to introduce a student to you. Her name is Shalonda, and Shalonda has been with me for sure now 8 weeks. She has learned breathing techniques. She has learned placement, and she has just learned in the last 2 weeks vowel sounds. Now, when you put these three things together, what will happen with your voice is you will start to be able to project your voice very clearly. We will be able to articulate all of the words so clearly. So what she's going to demonstrate for you right now is how to breathe, her placement, how it feels inside the mouth, and she's articulating her words because she learned the vowel sounds. She's going to sing A Change Is Gonna Come a cappella, and I just want you to hear her because she is so clear. And I just had to share it with my tribe, okay? And you're gonna see, we're gonna take the video to the end and you'll see exactly what I see, okay? So I'm gonna share the screen at this time. Check her out. She done put all three things together. 8 weeks, okay? Here we go. All right, I'm hitting play now, okay.
I was born by the river in a little tent, and oh, just like the river I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming. And I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes it will.
That's it right there. Woo! I'm posting that. I don't care what nobody's doing. And y'all better listen. Listen to them vowels. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna come on just like this and go. Listen to them vowels. Girl.
Them vowels make a big difference, I tell you that.
I told you it was the secret. You believe me. You see, you like, All right, y'all. I need my recorder. Okay. I'm gonna cut this out right now. So I just wanted to show you, I'm gonna stop the share at this time, but I wanted you to see that was our discovery. When she actually sang that song and did not utilize her technique, and it sounds 100% different, not clear. And she had posted it to her friends and family, and I was like, we haven't went over it yet. We're gonna have to go over that. And then once we went over it, then I recorded it. You all, if you want to see results, y'all better talk to the vocal doctor. If you want results, make sure that you click the link in my bio. Make sure that you like, make sure that you share, make sure that you subscribe, because only if you want to see results will you take my course, okay? If you don't want results, you can go somewhere else. That's okay, all right? But if you want to hear a change in your voice, you need to click the link in the bio. All right, this is the vocal doctor. It's so good talking to you, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.